Being the best, what else is there? That's our mission statement. We believe in it so much that we bought a 5-ton rock from Friendsville at the Marble Company. And we had it engraved, and it sits out by our front door so that everybody who comes in here, our employees and our customers, see that. Well, when we first started out, we were in the bid market. That's how you have to get started. And so after a while, we decided that this wasn't our cup of tea because we were going against every Tom, Dick, and Harry, and they really didn't care about quality. So we cared a lot more about quality and doing a better job for our customers. So we decided to go into the design build business. A lot of projects we do that were very memorable were buildings that we built that were brand new with new construction, and we made them look old, especially over at Maryville College. There was a large fire in one of their business offices and classroom facility. And when we got done, it looked like it was the same building that was standing there before the fire.
You know, the first project that I got to work on with Jospeh was renovating Anderson Hall, which is the oldest building on campus, and the bell tower is literally our logo. So that was a high visibility, and it turns out a high pressure project. The building had never undergone a comprehensive renovation. When we started the demolition, we discovered that in addition to the structural issues we knew about, there were some major structural issues that threatened the integrity of the building. Fortunately, Jospeh not only diagnosed and came up in conjunction with the rest of the team with a good solution, but did so in a timely manner, and we were able to implement it before the building fell down. And since it reopened, the one complaint that the faculty had in the 5 years, or the 3.5 years, I should say, since it reopened, is there was too much sunlight coming in on one side, so we had to install a slightly darker shade. That's the kind of response from faculty that you never hear about in a building renovation, and really reflects the creativity and attention to detail and thoroughness that Jospeh not only came up with a solution but implemented it. We appreciate it.
Since I started at Jospeh, we have grown. We have shrunk. There was a downturn, and now we're growing again. And I don't think that's anything any construction company didn't experience between 2009 and 2012. And so we're growing, and we are adding people as project managers. We're adding people in the field every day, and we're adding clients. And we're building relationships with new clients that we have never worked with before. And we're continuing relationships that Joe started 40 years ago, which we think is great. And we're seeing turnover in those generations at those companies, and we're able to maintain those relationships, which has been really good for our company. And that's what's going to keep us going for the future. Because I hope, that I get to retire from this place like Joe did one day, and somebody else is sitting in my seat, and there's another 50 years. So that's the goal for this place.